Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, and welcome to another Quick Thoughts and Opinions. This is Lego Polybag set 40035. It is a Christmas rocking horse. This horse is not made of steel, it is not made of wood, but it is made of plastic. However, you still can't take this galloping across your living room for a little ride. It is made of Lego, and that's the fun part about it. It is all Lego, and it is a cool little decoration for the Christmas season. However, it really doesn't rock. It's got a base to it, so you would have to take that bottom plate off in order for it to maybe move back and forth. As you can see, it has a big archway in the middle. It's composed of two arches put together and just bricks built up on top of it. So it is a very basic build and can be built with practically any basic bricks and any variation thereof. You really don't need the arches to make it. You could use just plain bricks themselves. However, the arches give that dimension of the legs and the horse in the full swing of its trot. Now, this set came out several years ago, and I can't really remember where we picked it up. It was either at a Target in the US or maybe one of the Lego stores down there as well. Anyway, it was less than $4 and it was kind of worth it, so we decided to pick that up. Now, as you can see, it's not a full plate across the bottom. It's just kind of like 1 by 10 or something like that across the bottom on each track, if you want to call it that, of the rocking part of the base. For some reason, this basic design really strikes me as a, well, almost exquisite build. It's very clean and Christmassy, and it looks like a rocking horse. So what more would you want? It is just a very basic build. That's all I can really say. I'm emphasizing basic build, yes, because it really is. Now, you can change the saddle color in that to red or green or whatever color you would like to make it more Christmassy, if so. Now, the main thing that really accentuates this whole horse is the mane itself. See what I did there? Little joke. Anyway, the black on top of the white and the red really sets things off. You can even see the black hooves. Now that really embellishes this whole little polybag set. It may be only 6 or 7 pieces, but it really brings it to life. That's just my thoughts and opinions on this set. Let me know what you guys think about this little rocking horse down below, and we'll talk to you again very shortly in the next video. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.